Features an anti-adhesive coating design. All roller surfaces are treated with Teflon technology, making it suitable for adhesive-coated films and paper roll products. Equipped with a full automatic laser guidance function for paper core placement, supporting touchscreen setting and automatic positioning, the maximum winding diameter is up to 800 mm. The unwinding and feeding section is equipped with a shaftless feeding and hydraulic lifting device, with a maximum load capacity of 2 tons and a maximum unwinding diameter of up to 1,200 mm, compatible with 3-inch and 6-inch paper cores. It is also fitted with noise-reducing rollers, which greatly reduces the operating noise of adhesive tape materials. Equipped with a full automatic upper and lower row circular knife positioning system, allowing flexible and automatic adjustment of slitting length.